Orion Marine Group is a heavy civil marine construction company. We build bridges, docks, causeways, perform dredging services on, over, under the water, near shore, in a near shore water environment. Orion wants to be the leading heavy civil marine construction company. We want to offer a complete suite of services to our customers, so we are a one-stop shop for their marine construction needs. In 2011, Orion Marine Group really started the process of looking at our back office and how do we build our back office to be scalable for the future. So we have a desire to grow this company. Today we're a $350 million company. We easily want to be a $1 billion company. So we've got to have the processes and back house that are scalable through that expansion and growth phase.
Previously, there was a patchwork of systems. HR had their own system, payroll had their system, and with that, a lot of double entry was required. It was taking a lot of time to verify the information was correct in both systems and it matched.
So one of the things we've been looking at is how do we manage that? How do we manage that from the field perspective to the guys entering the time in, all the way to actually processing the time at the end of the day? We started looking at different vendors, and ADP clearly had a great solution for us. They offered up the Vantage product that covers the complete suite, soup to nuts, from the HR perspective, the benefits perspective, and the payroll perspective. So it kind of covers that entire suite and provides that one-stop shop solution.
Orion Marine Group is using Vantage for time, payroll, HR, benefits, certified payrolls, and GLs.
For any employment activity, it's very helpful just because we can enter it into one system. It automatically goes into payroll. It increases efficiency and decreases any errors that may happen between those two processes.
We're able to turn around our certified payroll reports within less than half a day. We had a great implementation team. They were very willing to work with us. They worked with us on custom fields that we needed.
The way we run our accounting system is a little bit more complicated than some other companies, but it matches the type of work we do, and that's how we want to operate it. So we did give a little bit of a challenge to ADP to be able to meet that and meet how we process and document every different activity that we do out on a job, because that's important to us. We've worked a lot with ADP and our relationship manager. They spend a lot of time to understand our business, to talk to us, to understand why we want to have that structure in place and what the value is for the company, and then they embrace that. It's not just about processing payroll. It's not just about having a really good software that's easy to use. It's also about the relationship. Issues are going to come up, and really what I look for in a great service provider is not do they have all the bells and whistles, but can they solve the issues when they come up?
Previously, we used a software that once it was implemented, there was no service team. We were on our own to figure everything out. Now, if there's an issue or a question that arises, I can call my service team and they're right there to assist me, which again really saves me time that I can focus my efforts and my team's efforts in other areas.
And it also gives us more time to do things like catch up on reporting, to catch up on filing, the things that have been, lagging behind in our own system.
Since we implemented the ADP Vantage HCM solution, we have seen a reduction in our overall costs, and we expect that to continue into the future. As we go into new foreign countries and we go into new areas that we haven't worked with before, they've got the breadth and the knowledge to understand these areas, understand the implications. They've got the knowledge in-house to be a partner with us and help guide us through those situations that we otherwise couldn't have. And that's really why we settled on ADP, is because we felt they had the right solutions, but also they're investing in the technology for the future.